In this video, I'm going to show you a guaranteed way to get your koi fish hand feeding straight from your fingertips. KACTOILY'S has sent me a new product. Well, it's not a new product, it's an updated product for me to test and show you what it does. And somebody's told me something about my little bio ball that I put in my waterfall, but I'm not sure about that one. So let's have a look at the new KACTOILY product that they've sent over to me and said, Andy, we're making improvements all the time to our products, and we've got another one here that we want you to have a look at, test, and tell everybody about. So it's a new smart pool monitor. Now these, obviously, I've had one of these in the past, one of their first ones they brought out, where you can monitor everything that we need to monitor, including chlorine. Because chlorine, I've never had a chlorine monitor or detector or tester or whatever you want to call it. I've only ever used the little tablets. I've forgotten what they're called them now. I'll tell you that in a minute. Oh, well, one of these. And I've had the little tablets where you sort of crush the tablet up, put it in the water, and then when it goes pink, you got chlorine in. But it doesn't give you an accurate measure of what it is. So I said to KACTOILY, you know, whenever you update your chlorine stuff, see OJ still doing that. Good job I've sorted my window with me Rain-X. Anyways, so they've sent me this new product now, and I want to replace it with the old one. Where was I? Oh yes. So I want to replace the one I had before, the chlorine one that I tested before, and put this one in, because they tell me this one is an updated model with other little bits and pieces that they put in it. So let's get the box opened and see what's different. Okay, let's go. Let's get this thing opened. A bigger box this time. So they tell me that this time they're putting a better flotation device in, which is that. So we'll have a look at that, how that works in a moment. Usual stuff, instructions. Oh, looks like the LCD monitor is better. And then it'll all be wireless as well, so you can log it into your phone. Usual, blah 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 blah. Comes with batteries, I think, but we'll have a look at that in a moment. And then the unit itself. So here's the unit. This is a bit that bobs around in the water. You just take off the top. Then we're going to have to check if it's got batteries in. I don't know yet. We'll check that in a moment. That's the base. You replace that. What it comes with needs to go with that so that the water can get through. There's all your monitoring probes. That goes on. What's in here? This is usually stuff to fix it up with. Oh, what is that? Oh, open the bag quick. What's that? What is that? Oh, I see. Duh. I was about to get my screwdriver, but that's it. Look at that. They KACTOILY think of everything. See what I mean? You know, I've been working with these people for a while now. Yes, look at that. Comes with all the batteries in. Thank you, KACTOILY. I'm so impressed. Look at that. They even give you a screwdriver. Oh, and the power cable. And then we've got the buffer powder and the stuff to calibrate it with. That's a new one. So what that's for in a moment. And that, not sure what piece of string's for either. Maybe that's to tie it to the side, maybe, or something. I don't know. And then all your sachets to calibrate it. The receiver box. So we'll have to see what the new LCD screen says on that one. Because it's getting rather warm on my back while I'm doing this, so let's do something different. Right, so we're coming to the man cave now because I want to get this set up, this new unit set up when this is close by. So I've put the little sleeve thing on it. This is the new flotation device that they've said that they send out with all units now, so that seems pretty good for me. So I brought this inside because I want this to be close by the new unit. So this is the old one that we'll just take off, and we'll just put to one side. And then we get the new unit and plug it into the same power. Why not? Okay, let's flick that on. Okay, that's good, that's come on. I've already turned it on in here. So this is all turned on. Should take a couple of seconds. Right, so that's all up and running then, which is good news. As you can see, the little Wi-Fi thing was flashing. So it's time you get your phone out, log on, Bluetooth on the phone, go into the Tuya app thing, add a device, wait for it to pair, and then away we go. All logged in. I'm using it on the phone now as well. So I can now monitor this unit as well as my other unit, so I'm doing it side by side from wherever in the world now. That's pretty good, isn't it? From what I can see, what they've done with this upgraded device is packaging's a little bit better. They've put the flotation ring into there, so that makes it better for floating on either in your pond itself, or in your filter system, or in your swimming pool, or in jacuzzi. So that's a bit better. And also the Wi-Fi seems to be extended as well, because with past units for the chlorine one and the pond monitors, I've had to sort of move the unit nearer to the sender, to this bit that goes in the water. And it looks like now they've got it sus so that it goes all the way out to where the old one is. So yeah, thanks KACTOILY, I'm quite impressed with that. If any of you ever looking to get any of these KACTOILY products, there's links in the description below, and don't forget to, if you want looking for a bit of discount as well, is when you click the button to purchase one, it'll ask you for a code, a discount code. Just put Koi Pond Lifestyle in, and it'll give you a discount as well for any products from KACTOILY, be it the pool monitor, be it the aquarium monitor that also does in ponds. They do soil monitors and testers, they do drinking waters, they do loads of stuff. So if you want anything from KACTOILY, as far as I can see, the product's really good. You know, okay, they give me the products for me to test, and then I tell you whether they're any good or not. And you know what I'm like, I'll tell you what it is. But so look, I'll leave that with you anyway. Thanks KACTOILY, pretty good. Right then, guaranteed hand feeding. I can literally put a guaranteed stamp on this. It's something that I've been working on for a few years now, trying to get your fish over to you to hand feed. And I've got like 4 or 5 of mine now over a period of time of sussed that if I go to the pond with some seafood, so that you get the little bags of cooked seafood from some of your supermarkets, and it's all frozen, and then defrost it down, and you get like mussels, prawns, and a bit of calamari in there, and I love it all. I just chop it up into little bits, and I don't give them too many of the prawns because I like the prawns. Anyway, let me show you how it works. Here they come, this is what it is now. Yeah, one for the chag, one for OJ, better give OJ one before he goes and splashes us. Yeah, mate, you know, you take that, there you go. You know, OJ likes the prawns better, to be honest. Don't splash me, babe, don't splash me. Really much for calamari. Let's try with calamari again. No splashing. Ah. Ooh, see if Sid will come up. I've been working on Sid for a while. Lemon Yamabuki, he's getting close to coming up now and feeding from hand. Oh, here goes Sid. There we go. Oh, that was close. Literally, it's just a case of them sussing. Once they know what's in your hands, and they know it's the fish food that they want. Yeah, sausage. There you go. Some calamari. I don't know, he doesn't do calamari very often, but let's try him. There we go this time. Oh, he's flashing. Yes, that was out of my hand with Sid then. All I've got to do now is bring him to the surface, and then he'll be fine that way. Water's a bit murky today. I had to put some more blanket weed treatment in the other day, so it's wrecked me water a little bit, that has. So there you go. That's how I've done it, and how I've got my fish to now hand feed, is just by using seafood. Because literally, even though I've got no seafood in my hand, as soon as I put my hand over the water now, they think there's more, and they want to come to the hand. Try it. It's really good. It works dead easy. But be patient, because they get a bit skittish otherwise. Just be nice and slow, steady, patience, and they'll come to you in eventually. Right, coming to the shade for this one. There's a little comment that somebody made on, I think it was my last video, when I put some bio balls into the waterfall, and they said they look just like Maltesers then, dude. You've taken all the chocolate off the Maltesers. So as an experiment, a scientific experiment, I've gone out and got some Maltesers. I'm going to take the chocolate off them. Oh, broke that one. Try again. Oh, broke that one. Tell you what, really good excuse to go out and buy some Maltesers. Just stand here eating them. So somebody said if you nibble the chocolate off a Malteser, a little bit bigger though than the bio balls, but they look just like a bio ball. Yeah, they do. Oh dear, I've eaten that one as well. Right, so this is just an excuse to go out and buy some Maltesers and eat them all. Like Maltesers. So update on the bio balls. I don't know, to be honest, I've pulled them out. They're all changed colour a little bit. They're all sort of gathering the stuff that's going through the pump. So I don't know. I don't know. In fact, to be honest, I don't know how I'm going to test if they are doing any good. If you do, comment below, because I don't know myself. So I'm just going to. They're in there, and I need another Malteser while I have a quick think. What was I begging? So I haven't put any more in yet because I haven't felt the need to be honest. No, there's just something in there that's doing more than if they weren't in there, if that makes sense. Thanks for the comment, by the way. Perfect. So, we're almost at 10,000 subscribers now. I think we're only about something 30 something off hitting 10,000. And I've spoken to KACTOILY and asked them if they are willing to send out one of their products to a winner of a competition. Because I'm intending on doing a couple of competitions when we hit the 10,000 as a thank you to you, the viewers out there, for supporting the channel. And they very kindly said that they will donate a product of theirs, but they'll send it out worldwide. So that is fantastic news. So anybody who watches this channel, no matter where you are in the world, you're going to be able to go into the competition. And I think with the competition is you've got to be subscribed, you've got to like the videos. So as soon as we hit the 10,000 subscribers, I'll put the competition out, and I'm going to do a couple of competitions, I think. Or I might do more. I'll see what I can get, see what I've got. So I'm going to do a worldwide KACTOILY prize, and then I'll do some UK-based t-shirts and other things I can get hold of and do them as competitions. So that's only if we hit 10,000. So please, if you've liked the video, subscribe. That's a biggie. And now the weather's picked up, I'm getting as much oxygen as possible into the pond. It's getting really, really warm now in the UK at the moment. So as much oxygen on as possible, even through the night time, 24/7. My little skimmer when the food's not in is also on, because that generates air as well. So yeah, there you go. So thanks very much for watching. If you're enjoying the video, subscribe, because we're almost at 10,000. It won't stop OJ doing that, but if more people subscribe, it might do. I just hope he doesn't jump out one day. So please subscribe, share, ding the bell for notification, and click the like, because that makes all the difference to the algorithms. Right, I'm going to finish off with Maltesers. I like Maltesers. Thanks very much for watching. Quite a lifestyle.